Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Toyota Venza XLE hybrid in the color gray. Let's take a look. So of course, starting up front with our LED headlights and the customary daytime running lights as well here. And if you look closely across the front bumper, you'll notice these little knobs. These are the front parking sensors. As we move along to the side, if you look really closely, you may notice the 3M treatment on the front end here. We have our alloy wheels and our side mirror with integrated turn signal and blind spot monitoring. You'll notice that the rear windows of this unit do all come with factory tinting. And if you look up top, you will notice the roof rails. Now looking at the back here, once again, we have the parking sensors along the back bumper. And if you look just underneath your logo, you'll find your rear view camera. Now to open up the back of this unit, reach under the logo, press the button, and it opens right up. Taking a look in the back here, you'll first notice that the second row seating does come in a 60-40 split formation, which can be put up or down to accommodate either your cargo or your passengers. We also have this beautiful cargo cover in the back here, which can be easily pulled out to protect the privacy of whatever goods you're carrying in the back. We also have this logoed rubber matting across the back area to protect both your cargo and the vehicle. Now, if you are looking for your spare tire kit, simply reach underneath your mat, lift up on this tab, and everything you need is right underneath. And of course, to close it up, there is a handle, and right next to it are two optional buttons, one for closing and one to close and lock. There's also the optional setup for the foot activated trigger. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So as we approach the handle here, you'll notice that it does come with these two little lines right here that indicates it is a keyless entry unit. Simply tap your fingers here to lock or unlock. First, we have this lovely dual tone inside door with the two different shades of gray leatherette, plus this beautiful wood trimming. We have our power window controls for the front, the back, and your child safety lock as well. The power lock system itself, as well as the side mirror controls, including the ability to fold in your mirrors. And right next to your handle, we have your memory seat settings. If you're looking to adjust the setting of your seats, they are simply on the left-hand side for the driver. We've got the up, down, the back, front, and your lumbar support. Next, if you're looking for the release latches for your gas compartment or your hood, they're on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Just above that, we have a few different controls, including for dash lighting, for your lights up front, as well as for the heated rear wiper blade, and for your heated steering wheel and your power trunk. This unit does also come with power adjustable steering wheel controls. So taking a look at the steering wheel, left-hand side we have the controls for your dash, as well as your hands-free communication and your volume control. On the right-hand side we have the controls for your radio, as well as everything you need for your fully adaptive cruise control settings. Now in the middle here, this is your infotainment center. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, as well as being able to view much of your climate control settings and your navigation here as well. This is also where you will find all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity and the optional adapter for both USB and aux listening. Just underneath there, on the left-hand side where you're used to seeing your push start ignition, is where we have our odometer trip. Then we have the volume control and much of the controls for your infotainment center that we just showed you, those listed up top here. Just underneath there, these controls are for your climate control area. This unit does come with dual climate control for you and your front passenger. You also are able to access the defrost for your front and rear windshield, as well as your side mirrors here. Just beneath there, this is where you will find your push start ignition right in the bottom part underneath your climate control center. We've got some storage space back there, as well as the adapters for USB and aux listening, for phone chargers, as well as the wireless charging pad for your phone. Now looking straight down in front of your gear shift, we have your e-brake here, as well as your controls for your driving modes, including the EV. And if we scroll backwards just a little bit, just behind your cup holders is where you'll find the controls for your heated and cooled front seats. Last but not least, looking straight upwards, you'll notice these little buttons on your rear view mirror with the dots. These are your garage door openers. And above that, we have the controls for your overhead lighting. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour of this 2021 Toyota Venza XLE Hybrid in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Autumnall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.